Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this video we will cover domain 1 task 1.2, how to identify the issues and remediate them using monitoring and available metrics. This is the real CloudOps jobs, that is to detect problems, find the root cause, fix it fast and validate again. We will keep it simple, practical and exam focused. Monitoring is not just about dashboards, it's about incident handling. When something breaks, you use metrics to identify what's failing and how bad it is. Then you remediate quickly, idly with the automation, so downtime stays minimal. This exact workflow appears in the exam questions. AWS lists three core skills here: analyze metrics, automate remediation, and use EventBridge with Systems Manager automation. So our learning path follows the same order. If you understand these bullets clearly, you are covering exactly what the exam guide asks for. So the first step is identification. That is, look at the CloudWatch metrics and availability signals to confirm something is wrong. A key CloudOps habit is comparing the current behavior with the baseline trends. Don't react to one data point and confirm the impact and correlate the across related services before taking any action. Metrics tells you the system, but root cause often needs event contexts. This is where this event history and the API activity help you understand what changed recently. In exam scenarios, AWS often expects you to connect the dots between metrics and a change event before choosing the remediation. AWS specifically mentions services you can use for remediation automation, that is CloudWatch for detection, Lambda or the systems manager for actions, and auto scaling for capacity fixes. The idea is simple, that is, don't just alert humans, automate safe corrective actions, and notify the right people when needed. EventBridge helps you build event-driven operations. That is, an event happens and the right target is triggered automatically. AWS expects you to know routing and also the troubleshooting rules when events don't match or don't trigger. So in exam terms, EventBridge is often the glue between the detection and the automated remediation. Systems Manager automation runbooks are made for repeatable operational tasks. AWS highlights both the predefined custom notebooks and the predefined notebooks and the custom notebooks, sometimes using the SDKs or the scripts. The key idea is once you identify a common issue, you convert the fix into a runbook so it becomes consistent and fast. This is your CloudOps playbook. Detect, confirm, impact, and remediate using automation, and then validate again using the metrics. Many exam questions test this exact sequence. Always include the final step, that is validation, because fixing without checking is not CloudOps. So for this task 1.2, remember the keywords, that is analyze metrics, automate remediation, event bridge routing, and systems manager automation runbooks. Practice thinking like an ops engineer, that is detect, fix, and validate. If this video helped, please like, share, and subscribe. And in the next video, we will move to task 1.3, that is performance optimization. Thank you.